Okay, I've been making colloidal silver for a while now. What I've discovered, if you want to make it in a decent amount of time in pure ionic, you want to get rid of the negative charge. So you put all the silver you can in the water. Use a stainless steel rod for your negative post. Because the electrons coming off the negative side just tear up your silver. And that's true whether you're reversing your charge or not. So this is my system. It works pretty good. It makes a lot of ionic silver, all small particles, no color to it. Makes 6 cups in less than 4 hours. Faster if I turn it up. I have it turned down to 2.5 milliamps with about 18 inches of 10 gauge silver wire, which isn't much. If you let it run too long, your silver will start collecting on the bottom. I did that the last time. And you can also see the silver collecting here because even though you can get above 6 parts per million or so by this gauge, which isn't a true total dissolved solids gauge, it just does continuity, but it gives you a comparator so you know what you're doing. At 5 parts per million by this gauge, you've got really good ionic silver. If you keep everything hooked up. And this is my system. It works pretty good. It's not the first one I set up, but it is what I have settled on. I don't use glass anywhere in the design because glass can get broken. And honestly, if you have hard, clear plastic, you're going to lose less silver to that than you will glass. Stay away from the soft plastic like your milk and water comes in, because that'll pull in a lot of silver. But this works pretty good. I'm using a constant current. Have it turned down to 2.5 milliamps. It gets me a complete in less than 4 hours. And I'm really happy with it. This is what happens if you let it run too long. You end up with wasting your silver, and your silver ends up not shining. And to clean your silver, a paper towel is plenty. You don't have to use Scotch-Brite. Paper towel is plenty coarse enough.